Hello friends, today we are going to see how the poor, middle class and rich people spend their money. First of all, we will see how the poor people spend their money. Poor men who work very hard daily to fulfill their basic needs. Whatever income they earn, they spend it on expenses like electric bill, water bill and so on. They have no idea about saving and investment. Poor men will remain poor throughout their life if they spend money in the same way. Now, let us move to middle class people. Middle class people earn their money from small kind of job and businesses. Whatever income they earn, spend on fulfilling their liabilities, which includes car loan, home loan, and so on. Friends, your home is your liability, not an asset, till you pay your loans, because you are not earning anything from buying that home. You are just spending money. So, in this way, middle class people spend their money, and whatever money remains, they spending it on basic expenses. And if we keep spending our hard-earned money in this way, then we will also never grow in our life. So, my dear friends, our pattern of spending money should not be like middle class people. Now we will see how rich people spend their money and what is the secret that always money flows towards the rich people. Rich people always focusing on to increase the size of the asset column, and whatever income they earn from the asset spend it on their expenses and liabilities. Indirectly, it is a income, whatever money they earn from the assets. After all expenses, they put all their remaining money in their assets. So that's why rich people get richer and richer in their life. Now we have to decide how to spend our hard earned money. If you want to know how to manage your money, then watch this video till the end. Let us see 5 golden rules of money management which will help you to manage your money. The first rule is start saving, start small. Most of the Malaysians having zero saving, and only 11% of Malaysians have enough funds to withstand financial shocks, according to the Kazan Research Institute study. That is an astonishing fact, as it means most of us are only one paycheck away from financial instability. The basic rule to getting your finances sound and secure is to ensure you have saving plan or saving money from your income. For example, if you can only put aside 20 to 30% of your total monthly income, do it consistently. The amount put aside each month can grow later on, but it is important to begin today to see the benefits in the future. Friends, the second rule is grow your saving through investment. When you have sufficient amount of saving, it is time to go one step further and grow your money through investment. There are many types of investment in the market, such as short-term, long-term saving plans, mutual funds, private retirement schemes. Before deciding on one, consider the few factors. The first one is your appetite for risk. Second one, your time available to monitor your investment, and your life goals, which includes marriage, education, a new home or retirement, etc. My dear friends, the third and very important rule, the magic of compound interest. It is what will make you rich, and it takes a time. One of the greatest investors, Warren Buffett, he has $103 billion net worth today, but the secret of his success is a time and continuous investment. One of the golden statements of Warren Buffett is, if you can't control your emotions in the investment, you can't control your money. So it is very important to control your emotions in the investment. Friends, the fourth one and very basic rule is health is wealth. We do many things to ensure that we are in our best physical abilities, whatever it is, working out at the gym or going for weekend hikes. However, things don't always go according to the plan, and sometimes our body facing some common illnesses which require medical treatment and occasionally hospitalization. The increase of medical fees does not help to relieve this burden, so ensure that you have planned for medical emergencies, and everyone should have medical policy. Last but not the least, the fifth rule is planning for your loved one futures. If you are breadwinner of your family, it is your responsibility to ensure your family is well looked after when you are gone. This is especially important if you have young children or elderly parents who rely on you for financial support. So friends, these are the 5 basic rules of money management that you must have to follow in your life. Friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.